Hello, little friends. Today I have a lovely story to share with you. It's about a little dog, a tasty bone, and a big mistake that taught him something very important. It's a story about being happy with what we have. Are you ready? Let's begin.
It's a warm afternoon. The sun shines happily in the sky. Birds are singing and the streets are quiet. A skinny brown dog is walking around looking for something to eat. His tummy makes funny rumbling sounds as he sniffs here and there. Oh, I've been looking all morning. I just want something to eat. Anything. Suddenly his eyes sparkle. Right near the butcher's shop, there's a big juicy bone lying all by itself.
Wow, look at that. What a lucky day. This bone is just perfect. It's all mine.
He quickly picks up the bone and proudly trots away, his tail wagging, his ears up, and his paws bouncing with joy. As the dog walks home, he comes to a little wooden bridge over a shiny, clear stream. The water is so still that it looks just like a big mirror. What a yummy snack I will have! No one can take it away from me now. Curious dog looks over the edge of the bridge and spots something surprising. In the water, he sees another dog. And guess what? That dog has a bone too, an even bigger one. But the dog in the water is just his own reflection. Hey, that dog's bone is bigger than mine. If I bark quickly, maybe he'll drop his bone. Then I can have two bones. Double the treat. The dog is so excited that he quickly barks at the other dog. Woof woof, give me that big bone too. But as soon as he barks, uh-oh, his own bone slips right out of his mouth. The bone falls into the water and is swept away by the stream. The dog stares in shock. The other dog is gone. The big bone is gone. And worst of all, his own bone is gone too. Oh no, my bone! I dropped it!
And there was never another dog. It was just me. If only I had been happy with my own bone, I would still have it. And so the little dog learned a very big lesson. When you are greedy, you can lose even the good things you already have. Moral of the story: be happy with what you have. Sometimes wanting more can make you lose everything.